Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log in to any of your apps and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here. You need at least one to access all of those options. Now to add a password from those settings, click on the plus icon next to Search Passwords. Then enter all of those informations. At the top, type in any website, or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then type in your email, phone number, or username. Password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!